Idea generation can lead to entrepreneurial success. Now, how do we generate ideas? Like it is said, there is nothing more powerful than the idea whose time has come. I'm going to talk about 8 strategies that you can use to generate ideas and build successful businesses around them. Number one, problem solution approach. Identify a problem in the market and find a solution that can lead to a successful business. For example, the story of Airbnb. Now, these founders recognized a need for affordable, unique accommodations and provided a platform for people to rent out their spaces. Number two, market research and trends. You got to understand the importance of staying updated on market trends and how this can spark ideas. For instance, the rise of eco friendly products and sustainability led to the success of companies like Tesla and Beyond Meat. Number three, innovating existing products. Now, you can take an existing product or service and make it better or more convenient. And this can also be a source of inspiration. For example, Apple. It transformed the mobile phone industry with the iPhone. Number four, passion projects. You can pursue your passion and it can lead to viable business ideas. For example, Red Bull. The founder of Red Bull built this company because he had the passion for extreme sports and energy drinks. Number five, identifying personal pain points. Think about your own challenges or inconveniences and how you can solve them. For example, Dropbox. It was created because the founder had trouble accessing his files from different computers. Number six, cross industry inspiration. Explore how ideas can be drawn from different industries. For example, Uber. It applied the concept of ride sharing to transportation and disrupted the taxi industry. Number seven, customer feedback and surveys. Listen to the customer feedback and conduct surveys that can lead to innovative ideas. For example, Amazon. It continuously gathers customer input to develop new services and products. Number eight, collaboration and brainstorming. The benefits of brainstorming with your team and collaborating with them and with others to generate ideas cannot be underestimated. Look at Google. The products that originate from this company are the result of internal collaboration and innovative sessions. I hope these 8 strategies will help you generate ideas and you will build businesses around these ideas that will take care of the planet, your profits, and the people. Let's make this world a better place. Take charge, and I will see you soon.